Welcome to Rally Academy, my friends. I am so excited to be here in your kitchen, introducing you to your new best friend, the Prep and Rally knife. The number one question I get on Instagram, or even via email sometimes, is what knife do you use, what do you recommend, and how do you use it? Now I have the answer. You're going to love the Prep and Rally knife. I designed it and developed it in about 2 years. It's quite the process, but I knew that this was the perfect knife for you guys because it's the one that I reach for every single time I cook. The weight of it, the feeling of the octagon handle, the material, there's just nothing better than this knife, and I cannot wait for you to fully experience that. Not only am I giving you a great knife though, that would do you no service, but if you scan the QR code, you have now a series of knife skill videos that's actually going to teach you how to use your knife. We are going to work through all of the skills together, from the rocking technique, the dicing technique, cutting weird, strange fruits and vegetables that there really isn't such a technique for, but I'm going to show you how to do it seamlessly so that you don't hurt yourself and that you can be confident in the kitchen. So without further ado, let's go. It's Rally Academy.